ओम धम धन्वंतरे नमः। अज्ञानः तिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितो येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। Let me share. So today's topic is concept of ama in Ayurveda. In Ashtanga it is told that Ushmanonpabalattvena Dhatumadhyam apachitam Dushtamamashayagatam Rasamamam Prachakshate. When the Agni is weak, that produces indigestion in the stomach and produces ama. Even in the Dhatagni level or Bhutagni level, if the Agni is weak, it also produces ama. It produces Samadosha and Samadhat Vikaras. Coming to introduction, the term ama ordinarily means unripe, uncooked, undigested substance. It is produced from the impaired function of Kaya. It is toxic substance of gastroenteric origin. All types of diseases in Ayurvedic view for their origin from ama dosha. Vitiation of Agni and its malfunction of Agni produce ama. As per Ayurveda, disease state is due to disturbance or deviation in the equilibrium of dosha dhatu and mala. So the proper knowledge for correcting them cannot be obtained without understanding the in-depth pathology. Ama is an important factor in pathology of any disease. So diseases are known as amaya. They are produced due to ama. This concept resembles with contemporary concept of free radical theory. Now let us see etiology of ama. It has been accepted by all acharyas that etiological factors which cause mandagni are responsible for the production of ama and agrimandya, which are interdependent to each other. Following are the brief positive factors of ama mentioned by Acharya Charaka. Usually, ahara nidana, viharaja nidana, and the manasika karas. Nahara, abhojana, atibhojana, ajirna bhojana, asapya bhojana, and also guru, ruksha, shushka, vistambi, and vidahi bhojana. Also vishamasana and viruddha bhojana. Dietogenic causes: erroneous administration of virechana, vamana, and snehakarma. Vihara, vega vidharana, divashapana, alasya. And in manasika karanas are also responsible for development of ama. It consists of food consumption while afflicted with mental instability due to kama, krodha, lobha, moha, etc. Related causes: adverse desha, kala, and situation. Now, let us see the Japanese. Ama is produced when the Atvagni verbalized that it produces Sanchaya of Ama, which leads to Prasara of Ama, again Sana Samsaya, which leads to site of Kavai Gunya producing production of disease. In free radical theory, impaired action of free radical scavengers leads to increased production of free radicals, which will again lead to circulation of free radicals, results in weak cell membranes and production of disease. So disease production by ama is Agni Drishti. First, Agni Drishti, maybe Kaya Agni or Bhuta Agni Maybe Dhatu. Relate to Ama. Mixed with Dosha, Dusha, and Mala. Again, this will result in circulate in all sources and Kavai Gunya at a particular site. Sama is in Samas. Leads Vyadi. It is Shakagata, Kostagata, or Manamas Sandhika. Now let us see the symptoms. What is it? Ama. Protoral, obstruction in channels. Kalabramsha, lowering of immunity. Gaurava, feeling of heaviness. Alasya, the unwillingness to perform of duties in spite of capability. Sapakti, indigestion. Mistiva, accumulation of excessive saliva in mouth. Malasanga, constipation. Aruchi, non-perception of taste. Klama, that is uneasiness. Also, Vitmutra, Naka, Dhatu, Chakshuk, Pitaka, Tattaka, Krishna. These areas becomes the color result. And also other symptoms like Shiro, headache, Mukha virus, Lassa virus, distaste, Jora, fever, Atisar, loose motion, stomach. They are all Lakshanas of Rama. Now let us see the definition of Rama. According to different acharyas, various definition of Rama available in different classes. Some of them are given below. Due to hyperfunctioning of Agni, the first dhatu or child is not properly digested. Instead, Ama, Rasa produced, which undergoes fermentation, putrefaction, being retained in the Amasha. Due to Nidana Sevana, when Agni is vitiated, it becomes incapable of digesting even less amount of digestible food. And this undigested food, after getting fermented, turns into poisonous substance. Another definition. Matter which has not undergone vipaka, leading to durgandha, that is bad smelling, which is large in quantity, which is pichra, that is sticky, and leads to gata sudana, is called ama. So, the improperly digested rasa is ama as per different classes. And also, it can be understood as unprocessed food, partially digested food, matter which requires further parinam. Ama is the byproduct of impaired digestion. Ama is the accumulation of unexpelled waste in the body. Ama is the first expression of aberrations in the physiological process of the body. So, Ama may be indigestible and product, it may be Dhatugata, it may be Dhatu, Ama Rasa, Dhatu, or in modern medicine, it is free radicals. So, three phases are there in Ama production. The formative phase. First, there is a phase in which Ama forms and accumulates in the body. In this stage, clinical symptoms hardly manifest themselves. All indigestion does not lead to Ama, but it does only when Kapha is involved. Only when Kapha is involved, indigestion leads to Ama. In the case of other doshas, indigestion leads to different outcomes. When Vata is involved, indigestion is known as Vata dosha Vishtabda. Vishtabda results in drying up and degeneration. Pitta is involved, indigestion is known as Vidagda and leads to inflammation. The interactive phase. In this phase, Ama interacts with the three doshas and becomes more complex and active. Ama interacting with Vata creates a condition known as Samavata. So in the classics, Sama specific lakshanas have been mentioned for Samavata, Samapitta, and Samakapha. Ama interacting with Pitta and Kapha creates conditions known as Samapitta and Samakapha respectively. Similarly, Ama can also interact with the Dhatus. So Dhatu Pradosha Vikaras produced in Sama Dhatu. The last phase of complication. This is the phase of development of Amavisha. It is a stage of crisis that can even lead to death, according to Ayurveda. Last phase is that phase of resolution. This is the stage in which the active interactions between Ama and doshas and dhatus have resolved, and the body may recover with mild, moderate, severe, or no damage. Disease may also persist in a chronic phase. This is known as Nirama stage of the disease. Now, three line of treatment have been mentioned depending upon severity of Ama. Alpha, Madhyama, and Tiva. And Ama is Alpha. Langhana involves restriction of nutritional intake, even in the extent of complete fast, whereas the digestive and metabolic apparatus of the body. In the Madhyamala, Langana Pachana involves prescribing active medications also. It will neutralize and transform the ama by digesting and metabolizing it so that it is rendered inactive. Specific medicines are to be used depending upon ama, the type of ama. So here can use shunti, tika to, etc. The third stage, when severe, is that Shodhana is a purification process. It removes the ama dosha from the body altogether. We have five shodhanas. Amana, Virechana, Astapana, Anvasa, and Nasa. Finally, validation of the concept of ama would be a significant step in the process of improving our understanding of how Ayurvedic physicians diagnose, classify, and stage the process of disease, as well as how specific therapeutic decisions are made in clinical practice. See, the Sama Ama Lakshanas have been mentioned, isn't it? Sama, Dosha, Samadhatu, Lakshanas have been mentioned. So, depending upon this, we can detect the Ama and we can treat the Ama according to its severity. Langana, Langana Bacha, and Dosha Secha. So, concept of free radical heat can be applicable in case of Ama. So today, we have discussed the concept of Ama. Thank you.